Hey there, Fire HD 8 users. Stuck at the Amazon logo and not sure how to move forward? You're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, but fear not. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Fire HD 8 stuck at the Amazon logo. With these steps, you'll have your device up and running in no time. Let's dive into the solutions that can get your Fire HD 8 back to its usual performance. Step 1. Perform a hard reset. The first step to fixing a Fire HD 8 that's stuck at the Amazon logo is to perform a hard reset. This method can often resolve minor glitches without causing data loss. Power off the device. Hold down the power button on your Fire HD 8 for about 20 seconds until the device powers off completely. Restart. Press and hold the power button again for a few seconds to turn the device back on. Check the logo. If your device boots past the Amazon logo this time, congratulations, you resolved the issue. If not, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Charge your device. Sometimes the issue may be due to a low battery. Here's what to do. Plug in your charger. Connect your Fire HD 8 to a power source using the original charger and cable. Allow it to charge. Let the device charge for at least 30 minutes. Restart your device. Attempt to power it back on and see if it passes the Amazon logo. If the battery wasn't the problem, then this won't work. But don't worry, there are additional steps to try. Step 3. Boot into recovery mode. If the hard reset didn't work, recovery mode might be the solution. This mode allows you to restore your system. Power off the device. As before, ensure your Fire HD 8 is completely turned off. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until you see the Amazon logo. Then release the buttons. Perform a factory reset. Navigate using the volume buttons and select factory reset using the power button. Note, this will erase all data on your device, so use this as a last resort. Step 4. Update or reinstall the Fire OS. Sometimes outdated or corrupt system files can cause boot issues. Here's how to deal with it. Download the latest firmware. Check Amazon's website for the latest firmware specific to your Fire HD 8 model. Transfer the firmware. Connect your tablet to a computer using a USB cable and transfer the downloaded firmware file to your device. Reboot in recovery mode. Again, use recovery mode to install the new firmware. Step 5. Contact Amazon support. If none of the above solutions work, it might be time to reach out to the expert. Visit the Amazon support website. You can start a chat or request a call from a support representative. Explain the issue. Provide them with details of the steps you've already tried. This will save time and could expedite the troubleshooting process. Encountering a Fire HD 8 stuck at the Amazon logo can be a real setback, but by following these steps, you'll likely find a remedy. Whether it's a hard reset, charging the battery, entering recovery mode, or contacting support, each method provides a clear path forward. Always remember to back up your data when your device is functioning correctly to prevent data loss in the future. With patience and a few simple steps, your Fire HD 8 will be back to normal, letting you enjoy all your favorite content hassle-free. Best of luck and happy troubleshooting.